Geeky Science is my opportunity to share with you some of the week's most bewildering, interesting, or weird science news. Bisphenol A, or BPA, is a chemical that the body reacts to as if it were a synthetic estrogen. It's commonly used in polycarbonate plastic and resin-lined food and beverage containers here in the United States, where it's still legal. It's been outlawed in much of Europe. It can be found here in almost anything packaged in flexible soft plastic or lined with plastic, from baby bottles to lunch containers, even soda cans and energy drinks. And it doesn't just change your body the way hormones do, like causing girls to reach puberty early, as we've seen here in the United States over the past 30 years. There's some concern that BPA is causing this. But now we've discovered that it goes beyond that. It actually changes our genetic code. Exposure of lab animals and cell models to doses of BPA, even below the recommended tolerable daily intake, have been shown to alter specific estrogen-responsive genes. It's changing our genes. In fact, rats exposed to BPA in test labs developed breast and testicular cancer, diabetes, and hyperactivity. Its effect on humans is not entirely known, and the manufacturers of BPA and their lobbyists continue to claim that it's safe. But a new study shows pretty solidly that BPA can trigger hormone-responsive gene changes in humans. An international research team collected blood and urine from 96 human male subjects. As urinary markers of BPA exposure rose, the likelihood that estrogen-responsive genes were activated in the blood also increased. And the doses of BPA that elicited these changes were about what the general population is exposed to in their daily use of products made with BPA. The authors of the study have concluded that BPA is active in humans and that it can be linked biologically to hormone signaling and related disorders in humans, and that includes things like diabetes, thyroid diseases, and obesity. So you might want to rethink that next soda. It's probably made by passing through plastic tubes softened with BPAs and is therefore packing a double whammy of a health threat.